Hey folks, Krishnendu back here again with you guys. Lots happening right now. I'm super excited. I don't know whether I'm super excited or I'm super stressed because there's so much to do. I have to prepare the travel documents for my son. I have to... Wow, I missed my gym yesterday. I don't want to miss it today, but today it's closed in the morning. Lots to do. I'm losing track. I think I should be writing it down. Yeah, I'll keep you abreast with everything that's happening. Just stay with me. I have to buy my line. I'm out of line. Don't get stressed out. Everything will be fine. That's one thing done. So he has come back after his driving classes. And what did they teach you today? Did they teach you to how to jump traffic lights, or did they? They didn't teach him to jump traffic lights. What did they do? To mow down pedestrians?
Yeah, that's just what they taught me. I mean, they take it one step at a time, you know.
Okay, and did they also
first the pedestrians, then traffic lights
and cows and stuff? What did they ask you to respect cows and stuff?
Oh yeah, you should always maintain a 10-meter distance.
That's it, 10 meters when you're doing 200 kilometers an hour. Okay, and did they also? You're smelling of chocolate. You're stealing my chocolates.
Of course I am.
Yeah, he says. Of course he is. Such a, insolent kid who's 1 foot taller than I am. And what else did they teach you to incessantly honk and blow the eardrums out of everybody? Something like that?
That's one thing they didn't teach me yet.
Oh, they didn't teach you yet?
No, but
wow.
everyone else was blowing my eardrums off.
just came here for our documents file. Hopefully everything is done. Let's see how things go. And some issue with the bank statements. We're inside of the lift. We went to the 8th floor. We're on our way back right now. I always find mirrors to be very exciting places to vlog. It's strange, Mile, that when we came here it was darker, and an hour later it's more light. And when we came here it was like what, 5:36, and now it is 6:36 and there's more light. It's very strange.
And all the clouds are gone.
And yeah, it always like that. Here the clouds are gone. The clouds make a lot of noise here, and it rarely ever rains that we hope for. And the flights are taking off this way. I don't know why. I'm done. Whatever I set out to do today has been achieved more or less with some amount of success. Whatever I set out to do in the morning, everything, other than of course it was my chest day for my workout, and it's been done, including my edit. Oh, it's not been done. Sorry, my exercise has not been done, but my edit has been done. I'm ready to upload. Why is it? Why is it that when we are riding a KTM Duke 390 or a RC 390, why is it all these guys on, I'll name it for you, riding Apaches, RTR Apaches, and riding Honda CBR 250s and 150s, they're always inevitably trying to race you out. They're trying to kind of almost kill you, you know? I mean, come on, RTR Apache guys, come on, just let it be. We are faster. We have a better machine. Just let it go. You know, just let it go. You're better. Anyway, I was just saying that everything has been done with some amount of success, and in that success, one major part was aided by Moses Roth. You know, you Germans are good at it. I think I'm going to do a quick review of this very soon because it's very important. Now, before I end this vlog, I have to show you something. Now, this is a temporary arrangement, but it has been done because of some unfortunate incidents that took place about a couple of months, 2.5 months back. But yes, I got this beast for some time. Let's hope I can keep it for longer than I have been told. It's a beast. I'll be talking about it shortly, but well, I have it for some time now. Yep, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, click on the like button. Even if you didn't like this vlog, you can still click on the like button. Yeah, that shows how good you are. See you in the next vlog.